Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle? The answer might lie in the power of habits. I am Salman, and in this video we are going to explore how small, consistent changes in your daily routines can lead to remarkable transformations in your life. At their core, habits are the small decisions and actions you perform daily. They are the invisible architecture of our lives. According to research, about 40% of our daily actions are habits, not conscious decisions. Think about your morning routine. Do you reach for your phone first thing? Make coffee? Go for a run? These automatic behaviors are habits, and they shape our lives more than we realize. To understand how habits work, we need to break down what is called the habit loop. This concept, popularized by Charles Duhigg in his book The Power of Habit, consists of three parts. The cue, this is the trigger that initiates the habit. It could be a time of day, a specific place, an emotional state, or even the presence of certain people. The routine, this is the habit itself, the behavior you perform almost automatically in response to the cue. The reward, this is the benefit you gain from performing the habit. It could be physical, like the caffeine boost from your morning coffee, or emotional, like the sense of accomplishment after a workout. Understanding this loop is crucial because it allows us to identify and modify our habits. You might be wondering, why focus on habits? Why not just rely on willpower and motivation? Well, here's the thing. Willpower is a limited resource. It gets depleted as we use it throughout the day. Habits, on the other hand, operate on autopilot. They don't require conscious effort or decision making. This is why they are so powerful. When you build positive habits, you're essentially putting your self-improvement on autopilot. Moreover, habits compound over time. A small positive habit performed consistently can lead to a significant result. For instance, reading just 10 pages a day would result in 3,650 pages or about 12 books in a year. Saving $5 a day will give you an extra 1,825 at the end of the year. Exercising for just 15 minutes daily adds up to 91 hours of physical activity in a year. These small actions might seem insignificant on any given day, but over time they can lead to remarkable changes. Now that we understand the importance of habits, let's talk about how to build new ones. Here's the step-by-step approach. Start incredibly small. The key is to make the new habit so easy that you can't say no. Want to start running? Begin with just 1 minute a day. Aiming to meditate? Start with 3 deep breaths each morning. Attach it to an existing habit. This is called habit stacking. Pair your new habit with something you already do consistently. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will floss one tooth. Make it obvious. Set clear, visible reminders for your new habit. If you want to drink more water, place a water bottle on your nightstand before bed. Celebrate small wins. Each time you perform your new habit, celebrate it, no matter how small. This creates a positive emotional association with the habit. Be patient and consistent. It takes time for a new behavior to become automatic. The common belief that it takes 21 days to form a habit is actually a myth. Research suggests it can take anywhere from 18 to 254 days with an average of 66 days. Plan for obstacles. Anticipate challenges and plan how you will overcome them. If you're trying to exercise in the morning but struggle with time, lay out your workout clothes the night before. Of course, building good habits is only half the battle. We also need to address our bad habits. Here's how. Identify the cue. What triggers your bad habit? Is it stress, boredom, a specific time of day? Disrupt the routine. Once you know the cue, try to change your environment to make the habit harder to perform. If you snack while watching TV, keep healthy snacks nearby or don't eat in front of the television at all. Find a better reward. Remember, habits form because they provide some kind of reward. Find a healthier way to get that same reward. If you smoke to relax, try deep breathing exercises instead. Use the if-then technique. Plan your response to situations that trigger bad habits. For example, if I feel stressed, then I will take a short walk, instead of reaching for junk food. Let's look at some real-life examples of how small habit changes led to big results. Best-selling author Haruki Murakami attributes his success to a consistent writing habit. He wakes up at 4 a.m. every day and writes for 5 to 6 hours. Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps had a specific routine before every race, including stretching, listening to music, and visualizing the perfect race. This habit helped him stay focused and perform at his best. Arianna Huffington, founder of the Huffington Post, credits her success partly to her habit of getting 8 hours of sleep every night, which she says improves her productivity and decision-making. Remember, the power of habits lies in their consistency, not their individual impact. Small changes, repeated day after day, can lead to incredible results over time. As you leave this video, I challenge you to identify one small habit you want to build or break. Start incredibly small, be patient with yourself, and trust in the process. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or, in this case, a single habit. Thank you for watching this video on the power of habit. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to Elevate with Salman for more content on personal development and lifestyle improvement. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on new videos. Until next time, keep elevating.